Hi everyone, my name's Matt Henry, and welcome to Creating Layouts with CSS Grid. I'm a developer and vice president of product. Coding web layouts, even simple 3-column layouts, has always been a complex process that forced developers to rely on hacks. Until now. Imagine the simplicity of Flexbox with the power of working in 2 dimensions. That's CSS Grid, the first proper tool for building layouts on the web. In this course, you'll get up and running quickly with CSS Grid in order to create any web layout you can imagine. Some of the major topics we'll cover include the 2-step process of implementing layouts in Grid, picking track sizes that can respond to your content and the viewport, positioning your content into the grid with laser precision, a complete workflow for implementing responsive layouts, and how to apply these concepts to a real website. By the end of this course, you'll have a deep understanding of this powerful component of CSS, and you'll be able to leverage it to make whatever layout you'll need in your web development life. Before beginning this course, you should know the basics of web development, HTML and CSS, but it's not necessary to have mastered the old ways of doing CSS layout in order to understand the new method taught here. I also recommend you have the Firefox web browser installed. I hope you'll join me on this journey to create cutting-edge and maintainable layouts with Creating Layouts with CSS Grid at Pluralsight.